Feeling too tired to deal with kitchen chaos? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are perfect for anyone who wants things done faster, easier, and with almost zero effort. From quick prep to mess-free cooking, they practically handle the work for you while you relax. All product links are in the description below. Here's a fun way to turn almost any drink into a chilled treat. This frozen drink maker transforms juice, soda, coffee, and even chocolate milk into smooth slush with one touch. Its cooling system freezes the liquid evenly, so you get a perfect icy texture every time. You can choose a preset or adjust the thickness yourself if you like it softer or firmer. Just pour your drink in, press start, and enjoy hours of icy goodness. Making perfect burgers just got a whole lot easier. This press shapes your meat into even patties with those classic grill-ready grooves. You just place the meat in, push down, and the patty comes out smooth and uniform every time. A non-stick surface and included papers keep everything mess-free and easy to lift. It's lightweight, simple to use, and great for anyone who loves grilling at home or outdoors. Some kitchen tools just make you smile the moment you use them. This spoon holder sits on the edge of your pot and keeps your spoon, spatula, or ladle from dripping all over your stove. It grips securely, even when the pot is boiling, so your utensils stay right where you need them. You can use it while cooking or serving to keep things neat and splash-free. And when you're done, it rinses clean or goes straight into the dishwasher. If peeling boiled eggs drives you crazy, this little gadget steps in to save the day. You just crack the top, line it up, and press. Air pressure helps pop the shell loose in seconds. It makes the whole job fast, clean, and surprisingly satisfying. You can take it anywhere since it's lightweight and simple to use. And after you're done, it washes up easily and looks ready for the next batch. Messy appliance cords don't stand a chance with these handy organizers. You stick one on the back of your mixer, toaster, or coffee maker, and suddenly the extra wire has a clean place to wrap. The soft rubber bends to fit both flat and curved surfaces, so it holds steady on almost anything. A strong adhesive keeps it in place without slipping or falling. It's a simple way to keep your counters tidy and your appliances easier to use. Breakfast gets a tech upgrade with this smart touchscreen toaster. You tap the screen to pick your bread and shade, and the timer shows exactly when your toast will pop up. Wide slots handle bagels, waffles, and thick slices without fuss, giving you an even golden finish every time. It even remembers your favorite settings, so mornings feel faster and easier. Whether you toast one slice or two, you get perfect results with zero guesswork. Keeping your fridge tidy gets a whole lot easier with this sliding drink organizer. Load your cans in the back, and the spring system gently pushes each one forward, so you always grab the next cold drink without reaching or digging. You can adjust the width to fit different can sizes, making it super flexible for your favorite drinks. It stays steady on the shelf and installs in seconds. A simple upgrade that keeps everything neat, organized, and easy to grab. Meet the tiny kitchen helper that does the work of a whole drawer of tools. This handheld slicer chops, blends, minces, and even shapes your ingredients without breaking a sweat. You just drop in your garlic, peppers, onions, or even small pieces of meat, and it powers through with sharp stainless steel blades. It's fully rechargeable, so you can use it anywhere without hunting for an outlet. Lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for quick meals or baby food. It's a little gadget that makes prep time way easier. Packing your lunch just got a whole lot smarter. This glass bowl keeps your soups, salads, and snacks sealed tight so you don't have to worry about leaks in your bag. The screw-top lid locks everything in, and the protective silicone wrap gives you extra grip and peace of mind. You can microwave it, dishwasher it, and use it every day without fuss. It's a clean, modern way to take real meals wherever you go. If you love frying but hate the mess, this stainless steel pot is a game changer. It lets you crisp up your food while keeping your oil clean with a built-in mesh strainer that lifts out in one easy motion. You get smooth, drip-free pouring thanks to the angled spout and sturdy handle. The large capacity makes it perfect for family meals, camping trips, or batch cooking. When you're done, it doubles as a storage container so you can reuse your oil without the hassle. Meet the kitchen covers that do way more than just cover. These silicone lids keep soup from boiling over, stop splatters in the microwave, and even work as mini steamers when you need one. You just press them onto your pot, pan, or bowl, and they instantly seal in heat. They're heat safe, fridge safe, and super easy to clean. Reusable, flexible, and ready for anything. They simplify cooking in every corner of your kitchen. Here's a tiny tool that makes buttering things weirdly satisfying. You just pop your butter inside, twist, and it spreads smoothly across toast, muffins, pancakes, or even corn on the cob. No knife, no mess, no fighting with a cold stick of butter. It's safe for kids to use and even comes with a cap so you can store it for next time. Fast, tidy, and surprisingly handy for everyday cooking. Here's a clever little bottle that makes cooking feel more controlled. You fill it with your favorite oil or sauce, and the silicone brush lets you spread it exactly where you want it. No spills, no heavy pouring, just smooth, even coating every time. The heat-safe brush pops off for quick cleaning, and the wide opening makes refilling easy. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or basting, it gives you perfect coverage with zero mess. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference. This banana slicer cuts an entire banana into perfect pieces with one easy press. You don't need a knife, and the rounded stainless steel blades are safe for kids and older adults to use. It also handles soft fruits like strawberries or grapes for quick salads and snacks. Lightweight, dishwasher safe, and super easy to clean, it keeps prep fun and effortless. Cracking nuts doesn't have to be a chore. This hand-crank sheller pops open peanuts and pistachios in seconds, giving you clean kernels without the mess. You just turn the handle and let the machine do the work while the dual-layer system separates shells automatically. The base stays firmly in place so it won't slide around on your counter. Safe for kids, fun to use, and built from sturdy materials that hold up over time. Sometimes you just want your snacks to stay fresh without hunting for clips or rubber bands. This mini bag sealer snaps shut plastic bags in seconds, giving you an easy way to keep chips, fruit, or leftovers from going stale. You can also flip it around to use the built-in cutter whenever you need to open a bag cleanly. It works instantly. Just clamp and slide, and you're done. And because it's tiny, rechargeable, and even sticks to your fridge, you can take it anywhere and always keep your food sealed tight. If you've ever wanted fresh pasta without all the arm work, this little machine is a game changer. You load in your dough, hit a button, and it presses out smooth, even noodles on its own. You can switch the molds to make different shapes, and the cordless design lets you use it anywhere. The battery lasts long enough for plenty of batches, and the parts clean up easily with the included brush. Fresh pasta just got way simpler. Ever wish you had an extra hand in the kitchen? This automatic pan stirrer jumps in so you don't have to stand over the stove. Just set it in your pot, tap the button, and it starts rotating on its own. You can pick from different speeds, and the LED lights show you exactly how fast it's going. The heat-safe legs protect your cookware, and cleanup is as easy as tossing it in the dishwasher. Here's a fun way to make your spices feel like they're on a little carousel. This spinning rack keeps all your seasonings right within reach, and you can spin it with just one finger. The clear glass jars make it easy to see exactly what you're grabbing, and each lid gives you different pouring options. It keeps your counter tidy, saves space, and makes cooking feel a whole lot smoother. Here's a gadget that makes garlic prep way less annoying. This rocker-style press lets you crush cloves with a simple back and forth motion, so you use less effort and get more garlic. Everything collects neatly on top, making it super easy to scrape into your pan. It comes with a peeler and a little scraper to keep things tidy, and the stainless steel design holds up well in any kitchen. This little turntable makes your cabinets feel instantly smarter. Instead of digging around for jars or snacks, you just give it a spin and everything comes right to you. The non-skid surface keeps items steady, and the raised rim stops things from slipping off as it turns. It works anywhere: kitchens, bathrooms, craft rooms, you name it. Simple, sturdy, and a super easy way to keep your space tidy. If you're trying to make veggies more exciting, this spiralizer turns them into fun, twisty noodles in seconds. Just lock it to your counter, pick a blade, and spin. Zucchini, squash, carrots, it handles them all with ease. The extra strong suction keeps it steady while you work, and the stainless steel blade stays sharp for clean cuts. Everything stores neatly in the built-in caddy, and cleanup is simple. Healthy meals suddenly feel a lot more fun. Baking just got a lot safer. These silicone oven guards slide onto your racks to shield your hands and forearms from nasty burns. They handle high heat without melting or warping, so you can grab hot trays with confidence. The flexible silicone fits most ovens and can be trimmed to size for a perfect fit. Cleanup is simple, and they stay in place while you cook, keeping your kitchen accident-free. Fresh juice has never been easier. This heavy-duty stainless steel squeezer lets you press lemons, limes, oranges, and even grapefruits with minimal effort. The sturdy handle gives you full leverage, so every drop counts, and the mirror-finished steel makes it look as good as it works. Each squeeze goes straight into your glass or bowl, and the included filter bags catch any seeds or pulp. Simple, durable, and perfect for your morning boost. Rinsing and drying your salad just got a whole lot easier. This collapsible spinner lets you wash, drain, and dry greens, veggies, or fruit in seconds with a simple pump of the handle. The anti-slip base keeps it steady while spinning, and you can also use it as a regular colander when needed. It folds down for compact storage and is safe for the dishwasher. Fresh, crisp produce has never been this effortless. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.